Alright, no beating around the bush. Let's cut to the chase. You've seen Beam's name popping up everywhere. And now you're probably wondering, is this the cryptocurrency that's finally going to change your life forever? Is this the one that will unlock financial freedom? Well, Beam isn't just another meme coin floating around in the crypto sea. It's actually making some serious waves in the gaming world, an industry that's bigger than Hollywood, and the entire music industry combined. That's a massive market. So, when a crypto project sets its sights on gaming, you absolutely have to sit up and pay attention. This could be huge, and that's exactly what we're about to do. We're about to find out if Beam truly is the next big thing in the crypto space, or if it's just destined to be another flash in the pan, quickly forgotten. So, forget all the hype you've heard from your cousin, who probably just discovered Dogecoin last week. Beam is actually built on real utility and practical applications. This isn't about blind faith or jumping on a bandwagon. We're here to meticulously break down the facts, the underlying tech, and of course, the all-important numbers. So think of this as your comprehensive crash course in the exciting world of blockchain gaming, where digital pixels have the potential to meet real-world profit. By the time we're done here, you'll have a solid understanding of exactly what Beam is, why it's suddenly got everyone in the crypto community talking, and most importantly, if it actually has a legitimate shot at reaching the moon by 2025. Will it soar to new heights, or will it crash and burn? Either way, it's almost guaranteed to be a wild and unpredictable ride. So buckle up nice and tight. We're diving headfirst into the very heart of Beam and exploring the exciting future of gaming. Let's find out if this is your golden ticket to the moon, or if it's destined to be just another volatile crypto roller coaster. Let's get right into it. Time to demystify Beam. We're going to break down what it is, what it aims to achieve, and why it's generating so much buzz in the gaming and crypto spaces. Forget the technical jargon for a moment. Let's get to the heart of what makes Beam tick. Imagine if your Xbox, your gateway to countless digital worlds and adventures, and your bank account, the place where your hard-earned money resides, had a baby, a digital offspring that combines the fun of gaming with the power of finance. That's Beam. In essence, it's a bridge between the traditional gaming world and the burgeoning world of blockchain. It's a crypto ecosystem, a self-contained digital economy, built specifically for gaming, designed to enhance the player experience and empower developers. Think of it like the ultimate arcade token, a universal currency for the digital age, for the internet, a digital currency native to the online world. Instead of dropping quarters, those physical tokens of the past, into Pac-Man or any other arcade favorite, you use Beam to buy, sell, and trade digital assets in and out of games. It allows for seamless transactions and true ownership within the gaming ecosystem. It runs on a high-speed subnet of Avalanche, a blockchain known for its speed and efficiency, making transactions fast and cheap, perfect for gamers. This means less time waiting and more time playing. The brains behind Beam, Merit Circle DAO, aren't just making a coin. They're building a universe, a comprehensive ecosystem where gaming and blockchain technology intertwine. Their software kit lets any developer plug their game into Beam, creating NFTs you actually own. No more losing your rare sword, that legendary item you spent countless hours acquiring when you quit a game. It's yours, in your wallet, tradable on their marketplace, Sphere. Beam flips the script. You own your digital stuff, not the game company. This is a fundamental shift in the power dynamic. It's aiming to be the backbone for a new generation of games, handling payments and secure trading so devs can focus on fun. By taking care of the financial infrastructure, Beam allows developers to focus on what they do best, creating engaging and enjoyable games. For players, it means your gaming skills could finally have real-world value. Your time and effort spent mastering a game could translate into tangible rewards. Imagine if all those hours in The Sims, building your dream house and perfecting your Sims career, could pay your rent. That's the kind of potential Beam unlocks. The potential is huge, but so are the challenges. Building a successful blockchain-based gaming ecosystem is no easy feat. That's why everyone's watching Beam so closely. The industry is eager to see if it can deliver on its ambitious vision. The game is just getting started, and the world is watching to see what happens next. Let's get into what the experts and data say about Beam. Analysts love that Beam isn't just hype. It's got real utility as the fuel for a growing gaming ecosystem. The team behind it, Merit Circle DAO, has a solid track record and strong partnerships. Building on Avalanche gives Beam speed and low fees, avoiding the traffic jams of other blockchains. But there's skepticism. GameFi is still young, and past projects like Axie Infinity crashed after early hype. The big question, can Beam attract fun, quality games? If not, the whole ecosystem could flop. Data shows more active wallets and transactions, which is a good sign, but it's early days. Beam has built the stadium, now it needs the all-star games. The bullish case, strong team, smart tech, huge market. The risk, it all depends on great games and mass adoption. Experts say Beam has potential, but the outcome is far from certain. The next year will be crucial. Let's talk about Beam's price action, the roller coaster every crypto investor knows too well. Since launch, Beam's chart has seen wild peaks and valleys driven by game partnerships updates and the ever-shifting crypto market. As of June 2025, Beam is a top gaming token with strong trading volume and healthy liquidity. Most of its tokens are already in circulation, so there's less risk of sudden inflation. The token release schedule is transparent, managed by Merit Circle DAO, so no nasty surprises. Beam's price jumps on gaming news and dips with broader crypto market fears. It's influenced by both the gaming industry and the crypto world. Double the volatility, double the opportunity. Beam has shown resilience bouncing back from dips, but make no mistake, this is a wild ride, not for the faint of heart, if you're in buckle up. Why all the hype around Beam? It comes down to a few big ideas. First, player ownership. Finally, gamers can truly own their digital assets. Beam's DAO gives the community real power, letting token holders vote on the project's future. This creates a passionate, invested user base. Interoperability is another draw. Imagine using your rare spaceship from one game in another. Beam wants to make that possible. The vision is a connected metaverse of games, all powered by Beam. And let's be honest, the chance for big financial returns is a huge part of the buzz. Early investors in similar projects made fortunes, and Beam's fundamentals make it a hot target. It's the mix of revolutionary tech, community power, and the dream of striking it rich that keeps Beam in the spotlight. Whether it delivers is the billion-dollar question. But for now, it's the talk of the crypto gaming world. Alright, buckle up folks. It's time for the big question, the one you've all been waiting for. Where do I see Beam heading? Specifically, where do I think Beam will land by the end of 2025? Let's dive into my crystal ball, shall we? But first, a very important disclaimer. This is absolutely not financial advice. I'm just a guy with opinions, a laptop, and a whole lot of caffeine. So, with that out of the way, here's my take. By late 2025, I envision the crypto market being significantly more mature than it is today, and projects with real tangible use cases like Beam, with its focus on gaming, will really start to stand out from the crowd. I'm predicting that we'll see at least one, maybe even two, major games actually launch on the Beam network, successfully proving that the model actually works and can attract players. That, my friends, could be the spark, the catalyst, that finally puts Beam squarely on every gamer's radar. Now, factoring in the potential for a broader bull market in crypto, significant user growth within the Beam ecosystem, and the ever-growing Web3 gaming narrative, my price target for Beam by the end of 2025 is 10 cents. Now that might not sound like a moonshot or anything particularly huge, but I believe it's a realistic yet still optimistic call. No wild moonshots or unrealistic hype here. Now, for Beam to actually hit this target, it needs a few key things. First and foremost, great games that people actually want to play, talented devs constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and of course, a generally healthy and positive crypto market environment. If all of those pieces fall into place and the stars align, then I truly believe that 10 cents is well within reach for Beam. Achieving that would firmly establish Beam as one of the top crypto gaming projects in the space. It's a bold call, I know, but Beam itself is a bold and innovative project. But just remember, as with any crypto investment, high risk, high reward. So please, do your own research before making any investment decisions. So, what's the verdict? Beam is trying to revolutionize gaming by giving players true ownership and real-world value for their time. The charts are wild, the experts are cautiously optimistic, and the hype is real. But it's still a risky bet. Success depends on great games and mass adoption. My prediction, 10 cents by the end of 2025 if everything goes right. Beam is a high-risk, high-reward play, not for your emergency fund, but maybe for your moonshot portfolio. If you believe in the future of gaming and Web3, Beam is worth watching. Do your research, know the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Whether it moons or crashes, Beam is one of the most interesting stories in crypto right now. The next chapter is about to be written. Maybe one day, you'll buy coffee with profits from a legendary sword you sold. What a time to be alive. Thanks for watching.